passenger is sharing their location.
Nakabahan ako mamahuli. Teka. Hello. Seatbelt.
Seatbelt cottage. Seatbelt. Yun. Seatbelt. Dalian. Ano ba? Yun. Nanariyan ako po. Parang hindi na nagtatunog.
학생이에요. You student? Student? 야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람이에요. 코리아예요, 코리아. Where you study? Where?
Ano po, NU. Sa NU.
NU? And what is NU?
National University.
National University. And you study for what the program?
Engineering.
Engineering?
Yeah.
좋아요.
200m 앞에서 우회전입니다.
This is your first time ride Korean driver?
Yes.
First time?
Kumain ka sa akin.
Are you okay? Right there?
Yeah, okay.
You watching K-drama?
No po.
No? You don't watch? Are you focus in your school? Focus study?
No.
No.
He dropped out of school po.
He dropped out of school?
Yes.
What happened?
Laziness.
And you don't study right now? No. Stop.
Yeah, I don't stop. I stop. I don't study.
You don't like to study? Why are you crying?
No, I'm not.
I am not crying. So from now you don't like to go to school?
Yeah.
No, you want to, or maybe you try.
I just want to enjoy. I don't want to study.
Enjoy like what? Like
YOLO.
Yeah.
like what? Like what kind of enjoy?
Like a teenage dream. Like partying.
Party.
Yeah, drinking. Travel.
Yeah, trouble.
Nag-travel ba?
But my problem here,
우회전입니다.
very hard to speak Tagalog. Yeah, it's hard for me to learn. But yeah, I want to learn Tagalog.
You understand Tagalog po?
No.
A little.
A little, yeah. Yeah, kunti.
Kunti.
Yeah, salamat po. Yeah, salamat po. Can you try to teach me Tagalog? Basic Tagalog?
Go. Ano ba?
Yeah.
We're on
Hmm? Yeah, where are you going in Tagalog? How to say?
Saan ka
Saan ka
pupunta?
pupunta?
Hmm?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan
Saan
ka
ka
200m
pupunta?
앞에서
Pupunta.
회전입니다.
to the moon?
Tuta mo!
Inaabangan ako na mawala, kaso lang ang malala, nadapa kakatingala.
Sa kapunta to the moon.
My Filipino friend joking to me like that. He said to the moon. What is to the moon? enjoy. Filipino are friendly people.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Happy every day. Always smiling Filipino. But actually, I'm originally from North.
North?
Yeah. Yeah, North.
Paano ka pumunta rito?
Do you know North?
Yeah.
You know North?
Yeah.
Where is North?
I don't know. North Korea?
No.
DJ! Where's North Korea?
North Fairview.
Ah, Fairview?
Yeah, I live in North Fairview.
Fairview lang pala.
Where you say North Korea?
I don't know. I'm just new here.
Oh.
Like, this is my first time here in Manila.
Where are you province?
I'm from Rizal.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다. 그리고
Yeah, I live in North. But before, I live in Seoul.
Seoul, Korea.
Hmm?
Seoul, Korea.
Sultan Kudarat.
You're so funny! Oh my god!
Mindanao, yeah, Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Yeah, I lived there before. Sultan Kudarat.
Mindanao. So you're half Filipino?
Sultan
Hmm?
Kudarat.
You're
Yeah,
half
yeah.
Filipino?
No, I'm half Thailand and Korean.
Oh.
Yeah, Thai core. Yeah, 이름 뭐야? What is your name?
I'm TJ.
DJ and
Peji.
Peji and
Yara.
Yora. Yeah, nice to meet you. 반갑습니다.
Likewise.
Yeah. Just call me Mr. Ko. Ko.
Just K-O.
Kho.
K-H-O.
Yeah, Ko. That's my last name.
Mm.
My full name is Bao Thai. Because they have Thailand, right? Bao Thai. Yeah.
Bautay ko.
Yeah. Bao Thai Ko. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah, my name is Bao Thai Ko.
Mr. Ko.
Yeah, Mr. Ko. Full name. You try to pronounce my full name.
Bao.
Bao Thai Ko.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah, Bao Thai. Because. Oh, no. Half of Korean, half of Thailand. So you in you, all of you in you.
Me only.
Are you only and her?
Rizal.
Are Rizal study? You Rizal also?
Yeah.
Ah, you don't study here.
No.
Oh. Yeah, I think we're near. You're not familiar here. You're not familiar. No familiar.
First time.
Ah, first time here?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
First time here in Manila.
Yeah.
So why are you here? Go around party like that?
Yeah.
Go around.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Opo
You
na.
like to party, ha?
Do you like to party?
Yes.
Do you don't like to school?
I don't
You
like.
don't like. Yeah, there?
There, 7-Eleven po.
Oh, settle. Yeah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name again?
TJ.
TJ,
Veggie.
Veggie,
And
Yora.
Yora.
Yora. Yeah, 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. Yeah, Bao Thai.
Bao Thai ko. Mr. ko.
Yeah, Mr. Ko. So dito na po tayo.
Kuya! Kuya, inaanin niya kami!
Ha?
Kuya, vlogger ka!
Paano mo nalaman?
Vlogger ka, no? Vlogger ka, kuya?
Ha?
Vlogger ka!
Weh.
Vlogger ka! May...
Yes, I know. I don't know.
Kuya! Inaanin mo kami!
Ha?
Inaanin mo kami!
Ay, naka-vlog tayo.
Live po ba yan?
Hindi naman siya live.
Edit
So,
niya po.
so ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media
Okay lang
accounts?
po.
Okay lang.
Nakakatawa.
Naiiyak po kami!
Naiiyak ba kayo?
Hindi ko kaya kapag mag-English.
Kuya, ano pong name niyo?
Ito. Bibigyan ko ng sticker, no?
Yes!
Ayan. Wait lang.
Ano ko? Kuya, nagpakahirap ako mag-English!
So, my name is Bao.
Taiko.
Bao Thai ko.
Bao Taiko.
Ano?
Baho tayo.
Hindi niya naman nag-gets?
Hindi namin nag-get.
Tapos ang sinasabi ko, Mr. ko. Sinasawa.
Thank you, kuya.
So, naniwala, wait lang, naniwala kayo na, Korean talaga?
Yes, kuya.
Half Korean,
Kasi
half Thailand.
nagsasalita pati rin.
So, hindi nyo, pero napanood nyo na, may napanood na kayo na vlogs na ganito na nagpo-Korean pa?
Opo, sa TikTok. Ganyan.
Ako po yun.
Para pong familiar.
Talaga?
Ikaw.
So, ayan, baka may shoutout pa.
Shoutout mo sa mami ko.
Shoutout po! Tristan Seman kita!
Joke lang, kuya.
Wait lang, naka-grab pay kayo.
Yes.
So, alam nyo ba, pag nakapag-prank ako, nanglilibre ako ng pamasahe
Ay.
sa mga estudyante. So, ibabalik ko na sa inyo yung pamasahe ninyo. Diba?
Thank you so much! What a lucky day!
Ayan.
Kuya, pinagurma ang utak ko! Oh my God!
Kinukulit ko na nga siya magsalita eh. Ayan.
Thank you,
po.
kuya.
Good luck ha. Yay.
Salamat po!
Kaya kamsahamnida.
Kung galing ni kuya mag-English, mag-Korea. Ingat.
yay. Uy.
Kuya, ingat.
Oo, bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Thank you po!
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Thank you, kuya. Ingat.
Yes! May cashback sila. At buti na lang at nag-success ang prank natin today dahil talagang kinakabahan ako mag-prank kasi marami na nakakilala sa akin. So ayan, meron pa rin pala kahit pa isa-isa. At syempre, Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender. Ay maraming salamat sa mga nag-support pa rin sa akin, no, kahit na marami na nakakahuli sa akin, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagpaprank natin kasi gusto ko talaga maging masaya sa biyahe at syempre maging masaya yung mga viewers ko, followers, subscribers. So ayan, maraming salamat po at ingat po tayong lahat. Don Bertos TV, the Korean Prankster and the Great Pretender. Yeah.